So I started having problems with my 2007 Hyundai Veracruz, making some type of growling noise on startup or winding, whatever you may call it. I'm gonna take you outside and let you hear it for yourself. So it looks like the problem was the idler pulley. It's making some type of growling noise. I replaced the titcher as well. Here's a picture of the old titcher that came off. When I purchased the idler, I purchased the wrong one. It had a bigger hole, so I took it back, got the right one, as you see there. If you need part numbers, just feel free to comment below.